The market maker move. Here on Palantir, it's 81 cents, 3.59%. All right. Let's check out Apple. Now that's $1 here. Now, comparatively, Palantir's move is better than Apple's, being the price of Apple versus Palantir. Okay. All right. Now let's check out Tesla. A $26 market maker move, 4.65%. Okay. So that could be the expected move down. Okay. And then up, and then back down. All right. Now we've got a buy signal here. All right. Not quite a sell signal yet. Large overnight volume. All right. Now this volume, take this down into a smaller time frame. Go to your 15-minute time frame, and now what I've done is I've pulled up the cumulative overnight volume and put it right here in the volume section. All right. That way now you have a full complete chart. Now you see the overnight volume and the daily volume all at the same time right here in your background. All right, easy charting. And when we can see it becoming above average and then way above average, we can see how the moves start to happen. And as it goes through its periods of accumulation and distribution and whatnot. All right, so here on the 15-minute time chart, we are getting a buy signal, but keep in mind those are short-term signals. All right, the 5-minute chart. Okay. And here we are again. All right, so I'm going to say like this. That could be interesting. All right. But really what I'm more interested in is the daily chart. Now I see that's a nice move. Okay, that'd be great. And this is an interesting candlestick for sure. A little bit of a gap here. And we have a market maker move study here. But if this is the expected range, then we know at least where we can be, focusing our energy to. And let's also pull up that cone. Let's pull up all studies. Let's get that cone. We'll hit apply. And we'll see where that cone applies within the market maker. All right. Now this could be valuable information per options plays. So let's keep that in mind for the future. Let's take a look at our overall market. Looks like Disney's having a little bit of recovery. But the tech sector is still getting hammered. Okay, Viacom's doing okay with their Paramount release. That's good. Alright, let's go back to our charts. And let's pull up, let's see here. We'll have to do our daily and see if anything's gonna go off tomorrow. Okay, so we do have a list of stocks that are going to go off tomorrow. Quite a big list. All right, so take a look. Make sure you write anything down that might interest you. Anything I see, I'll pick out and I'll go ahead and go over. All right, and some overextension here. Doji. That could be a good thing. All right, I like the ceiling here. I like the current price, 115. All right, I'd like to see a little opening drop and then a pop. That'd be great. All right. A $3 market maker move here. That's not too bad. That might be worth checking out. And see, a lot of them are having, you know, this breakout signal on the day. So when they have that breakout, it seems like it is a good sign to be jumping in and possibly taking higher options plays. Okay, so go in and take your contracts, you know, for a, let's just say an in the money call for, you know, right around this area, 54.20. Okay, $4.91, Westlake Chemical. Zeus Olympic Steel, 23.29, 21, 25. It's about in the middle, so I want to see a pullback first before we, you know, take anything off there. You know, that, yeah. Okay, $7 move. Excellent. You might see some good happenings here. That's a nice spread. Somebody's good at their job. Oh, no market maker good for them. Oh, someone's losing the house. Uh-oh. All right, so we're turning green here. This is good on the daily. Good explosion, but the market maker is keeping it tight. All right. This might be one worth watching. Okay. Although the spread here, you know. All right. This here, another not so bad one. Kind of like it. Echo. It's a little high. I'd love to see it get pushed down, see it bounce around, you know, this line, go back up. All right. Yelp's on here. All right. Looks like Yelper's market makers keeping a nice, you know, tight leash on the stock. Don't want to let it run too wild. It's perfectly fine. It's the best way to ensure your value. Low volatility. Well, if we're gaining value, we want high volatility. All right. Hanger, don't know them. $1.80, you know, move, 7.49%. Yeah, that could be a nice play here. Meow. Let's see, Methanix Corp. What do they make? Methanix. Okay. On a hammer, though. This hammer, look at that. All right. Market maker move of $1.64, 48. You know, oh, okay. So they, it's not terrible. They might see $45 soon. And no market maker move here. But as we can see, some of these stocks are starting to recover, and the ones that are, a lot of them seem to be pharmaceuticals. So that's a nice looking little hammer there. I'd love to see a, you know, a nice up signal here. Or even better yet, like a Darvas breakout signal. All right, so that is the market maker move and our Darvas daily. So what else are we going to cover real quick here? We've got our Darvas dailies. Let's do our Darvas 4 hour and see what's on our 4 hour to go. These could be also swing trades. All right, now these swing trades. All right, let's check these out. All right, not so bad, not so great. Harrow Health, Team Incorporated. I don't know who the team is, but go team go. Yeah, they got a Darvas breakout signal, all right, on the 4-hour. When they do break out on the 4-hour, price typically does go up. Okay, we go check out that 4-hour time chart for them. You can see how they can be taken as swing trades. All right, there's a breakout signal. And let's go back and find another one. As you can see, they don't happen very often. Here's another breakout signal on the Darvas. Okay. And it looks like here's another Darvas breakout signal. All right, now GHL. Now that looks like Green Hill. Oh, let's go back. All right. That's an awfully big candle. I think a lot of people want to get in on this, so let's see a little bit of a pullback first, possibly, before jumping in. Otherwise, you might be chasing this one. You know, it's only got $1.51 move, so let's see it come down about half of that and then jump up. And use your cone of probability here as another means of support and resistance. I think that will really help you see where stocks are going to bounce at. Okay, Zeus is on here once again. All right. Now, of course, it looked much better back here. Then we got a big buy signal, huge cumulative overnight volume, and the Darvas buy signal again. So we have a similar pattern, but without, our robot here is still in. It could continue to run a little bit. So we may even make it up here. Okay, and UNF. What is this UNF? UniFirst Core. All right. Now this is one that you can probably expect. It's got a high value. I'm going to say it'll continue to climb up, and most likely, I like the way the expiring cone kind of meets with the market maker move. So $9.76 move, not terrible. So comparatively, I may consider trading this day trading instead of trading Tesla. Okay. We'll put this on a 10-tick chart, see what we get. Now, we still get our market maker move, we still get our Darvas box. Now, we lose a lot of our color trend system, but that's okay. We might get that back. And we get to see these Darvas breakouts here. Okay. So, yeah, we're at a little bit of a high right here, but if it continues to form blue blocks and keep on treading, then we'll jump in. If it starts to pull back and hits this bottom line somewhere around here, that's perfect. That's ideal. All right, so that's our Darvas 4 hours. Now, I could go a little bit further down, but here lately I just don't see a point to go down to the 1 hour, 15-minute, and so on lower time charts, because they're all going to be practically bull traps, at least with the way the market has been. And I certainly don't feel right on putting people into that situation to jump in something and then have to jump out, right away on a 15-minute chart because they wanted a swing trade that turned into a very short-term day trade. So discretion, of course, discretion. Not liable for how you spend your money or how you take your advice. Be patient with those who are willing to dispense it, but it's up to you to choose who you buy it from. IPOF and IPOE, okay, no surprise they are on the daily poppers, okay. Now that is, I believe, the 15-minute, okay, and under. All right, so if you follow this 15-minute and under pattern, looks like the JETS, the ETF JETS, has shown up on here. All right, wonderful. Looks like they're having a little bit of a popper time too. All right, so you can catch these red ones here when they're in their pullbacks, GoPro. All right, looks like they're going down in price. And let's back that out. There we go. All right, and let's check this out. AAL starting to recover. Looks like on the 15-minute we did get a good buy signal. Okay, perfect. Darvas breakout signal, Darvas breakout signal. And looks like we might see some good recovery here with AAL on and upwards. What else do we have on the list here? What's this one? Franchise group? I don't know, but I don't like it. This is a big spread here. Okay, 1566. Look at that. That's awesome. All right. 117 sitting kind of in the middle, so let's see if we can pull it down. I'm sure it'll get pulled down. Comes back here, gives us a nice pullback by Tuesday, Wednesday. That's a good opportunity to get in and hit that 133 level, which gives this market maker a very nice spread if they can move a lot of shares. All right. BOK Financial. I like how they're keeping it within the options probability. I like how they're not trying to screw people with options. That's kind of nice of them. Okay, BOK Financial, that might be a decent one to look into. See here, your options activities within here, but look at this. All right, this looks like a stop loss hunt and just get away from it. Navistar, I don't know, man. All right, Tesla, TLSA. Okay, what do we got? Tanzania Life Sciences. That's TLSA, not TSLA. Okay, not so terrible, but at the beginning it is. All right, it gets better out here as it as it moves on. All right, but I would be watching these two down here, and let's see, DVN, what do they have coming up? A dividend, okay, 19-cent dividend coming up. Market maker move of 57 cents. So let's figure they'll probably push the price down a little bit. Then it gets to go up. All right. Sandy Spring Bancorp. AGM. All right. I think that is almost it. Now, just for an extra, I will go ahead and we'll check in a rune scan or two. Check a bullish scan here. See if any of those stocks are the same. Okay. Interesting. And now we will come down here and check this list. Disney, Viacom, UAL, X, DISCK, now Discovery. Okay, wonderful. See, I like the way Discovery's not really trying to bone everybody. Decent trading. JPM. Come on, JP Morgan, get it together. Actually, it really looks like the options are trying to bone the market maker. Anyway, all right. Market maker's onto it. JetBlue. But you watch JetBlue. JetBlue likes to have consistent runoffs in the afternoons. You go check JetBlue every day after lunch, about a little bit after 2 o'clock, around, just watch it in the afternoon. You will see it will have consistent 25, 45-cent runs regularly. AMC's on the list here. All right. Well, I like it. Market maker move, fair options. I mean, they're, yeah. Looks like AMC is back to normal fair game trading. I like it. Chevron. Chevron. Looks like people are mad at you. Okay, OCGN. Okay. OCGN. All right, gonna make some money on OCGN, are we? Okay, and Micron Technology, MU. Okay, so assuming the market maker move stays the same, this is a good place to put your out of the money options. All right. So this kind of eliminates this giant, patch in the center. For those who can see it and for those who can't, now we've pointed it out. I'd love to put these together and plot a cloud in there. That'd be really nice. I think I'll try to do that. So until next time, watch your market maker move, your overnight, your cumulative volume, and happy trading. Get out there, make some money, and I will see you in the next video.